Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my Easter basket I did with the book bag, and this is the LOL theme. And I have placed a lot of items in this book bag with pencil sets, activity sets, cards, puzzles, the LOL stationery kit with calculator. There's hand sanitizer there. I also have icy slush, a couple of those in there, as well as the Cheez-Its and crackers and popcorn bin. There's a plush animal, jump rope, cotton candy, Rice Krispie treats, other candies in there, as well as the eggs with candies in them. And I stuck the airheads on the side pocket there. And I think this turned out great. Tell me what you think.